guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be doing some extreme laundry motivation today because it is way overdue, and I kind of want to just do a vlog laundry motivation type thing. But anyway, so if you will, can you just pause the video for like 2 seconds, go subscribe. I upload twice a week and I do all types of content on my channel. I know I should niche down of content. You will subscribe and hit the bell notification as well, so that way you are notified. But so anyways, let's jump right into it. All right, so now that I already have like all of our dirty clothes here, I actually have 2 full baskets here that I'm just going to have to separate, which I wash my jeans separate. Of course, our whites and light color clothes, as well as our towels and things of that. So let's just go ahead and separate all that so we can get started. I kind of want to do it with you guys, not kind of, well, I actually want to do it with you guys just to give you a run through on what I do on a weekly basis. So like I said, we're just going to do the light color clothing here, and then we'll do jeans here, and then we'll do I don't know, what would you call this pile, like just pretty much like jean shorts and things of that. So we're just gonna put light color clothing here, and I need to edit out, like, I'm not gonna put our personal business on on camera, so it will be kind of awkward and weird if y'all were to see our underwears. So I'm gonna speed up that process. And then I also do Chris's like work clothes separately, just because he works with metal and he tells me to wash his separate just in case like there's like metal left behind and it won't get into our clothing and won't give us like an irritation, or you know, just things like that, because it has happened before where a little metal was left behind and it actually poked me. So now we learn our lesson to do his separate. And then not only that, it's just much dirtier, and I wash his work clothes in hot water. But so yeah, and we have jeans. I heard money. Let's not forget to check pockets, because that's another thing. I'm guilty of that. Sometimes I forget, and ladies, sometimes if you check them, you can get lucky and find some money, which I hear it, but I don't feel it. So I don't know. That's kind of weird. There it goes. Whatever, fine. Just go ahead and put it in my piggy bank. Hey. Okay, so I'm finally done, and here is pile number 1, which is just our underwear, socks, and under t-shirts, things of that. And then on this basket here is my cleaning towels and Chris's welding hats. And then this pile, I have all of our white clothes. And then this is our jeans, which is shocking because I feel like we've been wearing a lot of jeans lately, and that's a small pile. Yes, that is poop, but not our poop. That is my bunny's poop. I know that was a little oversharing, but in case you're wondering, I know from far away that does look like poop, and it is. But anyways, and then this pile is our t-shirts and light shorts and things of that sort on this pile. And then here is our towels. But so yeah, so I have a lot of clothes here that I need to get started with. So before doing so, look at my filthy laundry area. It's been a hot minute that I cleaned in here. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Clean that because I like a clean area to get started. I need to put this in there, like fill it up. So, and that noise you hear is actually this shelving is hitting that door, so I need to like back it up some more so we won't hear that. Just a quick run through. I did move this here, as you saw when I deep cleaned my room. I did put these on the side of my bed over here. Let me show you. It used to be over there, so I did change it out and I put the end table there because we kept running over to it because it used to be here, the end table. So yeah, now it's over here, which I like it so much better over here, but that noise keeps bothering me every time I walk by. Kind of freaks me out. But anyway, so let's just go ahead and clean this area in a time-lapse manner now. Okay, to get started, we're going to put it on our light soil, and then here we're going to add hot, and then of course here we're going to move it down to our clean washer with a fresh, and then here we're going to do, let's just do one rinse for now, and then the deep water wash, and then start. All right, so while that is cleaning, we're just gonna move on to this side, and I'm just going to fill this up and then of course clean all this area off. So that way, you know, it's just better. Trust me, it's just better. Ta-da! It looks so much better, right? This is a clean space that we'll be able to work with, and I just love that we can get started like this rather it being so dirty and then clean clothing. It just doesn't mix, so I had to clean it first. But while the fresh is still in there and I already finished off cleaning off on this side, that fly is literally me. Woohoo! It's finally done. Now we can really get started on putting our dirty laundry in here. But so I think I'm gonna put first we're gonna put our maybe underwears in here first, because someone is always needing underwear, so we'll do that first. We are just gonna put detergent in here, and I usually put, like, if it's a large load, I'll put 2 of these in here, just because I'm a scent person. If it doesn't smell good, then to me it's not clean. I know that's bad, but I don't know why I'm like that. But so I do put 2 of these in there, especially if it's a large load, and then we'll put our fabric softener next. I'm gonna get that last one drip because I hate when it falls on something I just cleaned. So I'll put this in here. Doesn't matter if it's dirty. And it looks like a penny came out, so let me pick that up in a minute. One more. I don't know if I can reach that. I'm not sure to you guys, but I'll just leave that in for now until I can tell Chris to get that out. Okay, next we'll do our fabric softener. Okay, and I just do a capful. I put it in there as well, mix it. And then we'll do our beads. Usually I would have flings in here, but I found that I overly used it, so hold on, I can't open this. Okay, so like I was saying, so I find beads are way much better than the flings. I just need to change out that name tag there. So I have a cap full of beads. And then we can go ahead and start loading our dirty laundry in there. All right, there we have it. And then we can finally actually get started. So here I like to put it on colors with soak, and here we'll put it onto warm, and because it is a large load, I'm gonna put heavy. And then with one rinse, well actually let's do one rinse with fabric softener and then deep water wash. Start. Okay, so our washer is finally done, and we can start taking this out and then putting it into our dryer here. So first, I like to put one sheet in there first, and then of course we'll remove all of our wet laundry and putting it in here. And then we're just gonna keep repeating the process because like I said, I don't want to show any of our underwear, so I'm just gonna do that off camera. Temperature, here I'll put it on high, heavy dry, 90-minute wrinkle control, and then we'll go ahead and start. My filter is in, so I don't have to worry about that. And then start. Okay, since we already have, what was that? Okay, since we already have our clothes in the dryer, we can start with another load of laundry and dirty clothes. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one because these are t-shirts and stuff. So I like to do light colors first, and then heavier laundry, and of course I always do the whites last. All right, guys, so we are at the end of the video, and I want to say thank you so much for being with me today on doing our laundry. I know it's a drag sometimes, but we got it done. We did it together, and but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Thanks, guys.